In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show margins on Canva, a task that can enhance your design precision and professionalism. Understanding how to display margins is crucial for ensuring that your content remains visually balanced and does not get cut off during printing or presentation. Margins act as a safe zone, guiding you to keep text and important elements away from the edges. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Canva homepage and open a design project. This could be something you're currently working on or a new design you'd like to start fresh. Once your canvas is open, you're going to begin by finding the File menu. You should see this option at the top left corner of your screen when you're in the editor mode. Go ahead and click on File to open a drop-down menu. With the drop-down menu open, you'll want to gently hover over Settings. This small action will likely reveal more options under Settings, giving you access to various configuration settings that affect how you view your canvas. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't rush, let each step unfold as you hover. Now here's where the magic happens. Within this menu you will see an option labelled Show Margins. This might not immediately strike you as exciting until you realize how beneficial margins are for your layout. Click on Show Margins and you'll notice a series of dotted lines that appear around your design area. These lines are the margins you've enabled, providing a visual cue that helps guide the placement of your design elements. Showing margins simply means that you're now set up to avoid putting text or important visual elements too close to the edge. It acts as an invisible helper, ensuring that everything crucial remains in full view, especially if your project involves printing. Remember, things that are too close to the edge can get cut off. Not ideal when you're aiming for a polished, professional look. Tips to consider as you use this feature include always keeping a good portion of your text and images within these margins. Doing so ensures clarity and visual balance, making your design more engaging and easier to digest. It's also particularly useful for creating brochures, flyers, or any graphic that might be bound or trimmed. To recap, you've learned how to find and click on the File menu, hover over Settings, and most importantly enable Show Margins by ticking that option. This small but powerful tool is an essential part of ensuring your designs meet both digital and print standards. Enjoy applying this to your projects and watch your design efficiency improve with each click. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.